CoSleep has really been our guiding, help for everything that when we started our journey.
If CoSleep was a hashtag, it would be quick and easy. So, for the most part, I always loved maths in school. I'm never someone who found math difficult. Because of that, I was doing a lot of math Olympiad work on the side, and that's when I started to feel really challenged because it would go really fast paced and I'd learn everything but it wouldn't stick, and that showed in my problem solving ability because I'd learn it and then I just wouldn't be able to use it.
The CoSleep has really been our guiding, help for everything that when we started our journey. Mrs. Dhingra was so helpful and she knew her work the first time I met her, and I knew this was the right place, so there was nowhere else to go. And then it also showed in their results and how they were learning, everything. It just showed up in that
AMC, and it was just really helpful because I felt the pace was a lot better than my other classes, and it really helped me consolidate my learning. And very honestly, the results didn't show up in 10th grade, but I just kept working. And then in 12th grade, the coaching was just really good, and then I got some great results in AMC 12 in 11th grade. The pace was a lot better.
So I didn't know what the AP journey is like and how to approach it, how to kind of prepare for the exam, because also the exam is just once a year, so it's one attempt, and when you want to pace out your APs through the last 3 years, so then you can't be missing out on them and getting complete fives on them. So they helped us plan it out that we start with this AP in 10th grade, these 2 APs in 10th grade, then we can do 2 in 11th, and then whatever we want to do in the last in the 12th if you need to do it.
I really liked the way they scheduled it. I was doing AP Calculus AB. It was so quick. I was understanding everything so quickly, and the homework was also so great. It was just on OneNote. I just solve it quickly and send it off. I'm really glad I learned calculus that way, because after that, I feel it was really, when I learned it in school again, it was just easy for me.
So what she learned for the AMCs and this, it helped her for the other math competitions like the format, and she actually didn't need more coaching for that because this was so comprehensive. It kind of helped her, but even those and I'd say an excellent institution, very well organized. Their teaching methodology, their structures, their modules, everything is in the right place, and it really helps the child learn. They know exactly how the child needs to learn, the steps in learning.
If CoSleep was a hashtag, it would be quick and easy.